Candace, welcome. I am so glad you're here. On this video, I'm going to be unboxing my IPSY Glambag Plus for April 2020. I have been waiting patiently for this box to come. It was supposed to be here several days ago and the shipping just got delayed and delayed and delayed. And then I was debating on even doing this video, but I thought, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and open this with you guys, even though it is so late. And if you love unboxing videos, you've probably already seen someone else unbox theirs. But if you are here, I am thankful for you and really appreciate that you are watching the video. This box is full. I don't think I've ever seen my IPSY box this full. Oh, this is cute. The theme for this box is Full Bloom. And if you noticed, I'm like matching my box. I don't think I could have matched it any better. I did plan that, so yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna go right for my choice item. With IPSY, you're able to choose one of your items. I chose the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Campfire. I know I mentioned in a previous video, but I love going camping with my family in the summer. So I chose the Campfire shade. Yes. Once I clicked like, please send me that item, I have not been able to stop thinking about this IPSY box. So it does look a tad bit orangey, but let's see. It's not like way too bold or way too over the top that I wouldn't use it. I actually really think I like it. So yes, this is the product that's been making me lose sleep over my IPSY box, and it's been taking so long to get here. So I'm wearing it. I don't care. The next item I see in here is from Sunday Riley, you guys. So this product is a water gel toner by Sunday Riley. How cool is this? This is a water gel toner. This is supposed to fight redness, fight oiliness, shrink your pores down, make them look less visible. Sunday Riley is such a great brand. I have only ever been able to just sample their products. I have never purchased anything from them. It is very jelly, actually. It's a very interesting texture. That actually feels really refreshing on the skin. Ooh, once it melts in, it stinks though. What a cute bag we got this month. Isn't this so cute and springy? These are like little flowers, but they almost look like little fairies, don't they? And a really cute, I like this little pull. It's like a little bamboo IPSY pull. Really cute bag. The inside color I do not like. Personally, it's an ugly color, but cute little bag. I like it that they're changing up the bags a little bit. This is a sweet bag. I like that one. Oh my god, we got a Tarte product. My box is pretty mangled, but I'm not worried about it because I will just recycle the box. This is a Tarteist Eye Pencil Double Take Eyeliner. So it's a black eyeliner from Tarte. One end is a felt tip liner, and one end is a pencil liner. Needless to say, I am really, really excited to get this product. I love it that it's double-ended. I have the option to either use the pencil liner or felt tip liner. I love it that it's all in one, and so it's easy to reach for, and you don't have like multiple eyeliners in your makeup bag, and it's perfect for anyone that does a lot of traveling. I know traveling is not really on everybody's mind right now, but eventually it will be, so this would be something that would be really good to throw in a travel bag. I love this. Yay, cool. Next thing I see is all wrapped up in bubble wrap. Shayna B Miami eyeshadow palette. Pretty, pretty package. Look at how cute. Look at how beautiful this shadow palette is. The top row is metallic and the bottom is all mattes. This is gorgeous, and the imprint on each one of these little pans are a set of like kissing or hugging flamingos. It is so cute. It is gorgeous, and I am very thankful to have it. The last item that we have in here is a Bloom Effects Dutch Dirt Mask, and this is supposed to be put on your face for 20 minutes, and it is supposed to refresh and reset and balance your skin and make pores a thing of the past. So I think tonight I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a big cup of tea and put this on my face and just tell my family that I am on break. I'll see if it works. I'll let you guys know. But cool. So nothing like putting some dirt all over your face and taking a little 20-minute break. So the value of the IPSY Glambag Plus is supposed to be over $120. I'm going to go ahead and insert the value of this box on the screen for you guys so you have that information. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for watching this video, and I really truly appreciate you and I appreciate your support. So I had a blast unboxing this and I hope you had fun too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you would go ahead and do that for me. And until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!